Is your Windows PC starting to feel slower over time? Maybe your storage keeps filling up for no reason. Apps take longer to open, or your computer just doesn't feel as smooth as it used to. The good news is, Windows already includes a hidden cleanup feature. So first, click on the Start menu or the search icon on your taskbar. Now type Storage Settings and open it. Once you're inside the Storage Settings page, look for a feature called Storage Sense. You'll see a description saying that Windows can automatically free up space by removing temporary files, recycle bin items, and other unnecessary data. By default, this feature is often turned off. Go ahead and enable the toggle. Now click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. This is where you can customize how Windows automatically cleans your computer. First, look for Run Storage Sense. You can choose how often the cleanup runs automatically. Now, technically, you could select every day, but honestly, that's usually unnecessary because not enough junk builds up in a single day. And once a month can sometimes be too late because temporary files and cached data pile up pretty quickly. For most people, once every week is the perfect balance. It keeps the system clean without constantly running background cleanup tasks. So select every week. Next, scroll down until you see Delete Temporary Files that my apps aren't using. Make sure this option is enabled. This allows Windows to safely remove leftover temporary files created by apps, installers, and updates. Below that, you'll see the Recycle Bin Cleanup option. I recommend setting this to 30 days. That gives you enough time to recover accidentally deleted files before Windows clears them automatically. Now, you'll also notice an option for the Downloads folder. Personally, I recommend setting this to Never. A lot of people store important files in Downloads without realizing it, and you definitely don't want Windows deleting something important automatically. Further down, you may also see a OneDrive option that changes files to online only after a certain amount of time. Again, I usually recommend setting this to Never unless you specifically want cloud-only storage to save disk space. Otherwise, some files may disappear locally and require downloading again from OneDrive later. Once you finish setting everything up, Windows will automatically handle a lot of junk cleanup in the background for you. Over time, this can help free up storage space, reduce clutter, and keep your computer running smoother without needing third-party cleaner apps. And the best part is this feature is completely built into Windows already. Your Windows PC will now automatically clean temporary junk files and help keep your storage under control with almost no effort from you.